Yo, what up, peoples? Welcome back to the Shill stream. It's a good day today. I know y'all are happy, man. Don't you lie to me, man. I know you had some gains, man. Everybody talks about, they hold their favorite coins and a little bit of Bitcoin. So if that's the truth, then you had some gains today. Maybe your favorite coin didn't, but Bitcoin sure did. And a lot of other coins had some gains today as well. So it's definitely looking like a good day. Hey, I could already see. You know how I know it's a good day? Because somebody already hit the like button. I could already see that. Anybody that's in already, please hit that like button. Even if you're watching the replay, hit that like button whenever you get a chance. Today is definitely we needed this to happen in Bitcoin, and it's here. H Boogie, what's goody? Glad to see you back as usual, man. You already know how we doing, man. We just maintaining, keeping this movement going, man. Keeping this crypto movement going. So let's get straight into it, man. First and foremost, look at you see that the numbers is going up, man. The subscribers is going up. If you're watching the replay, subscribe to the channel, man. This is the Shill stream. We do this every single night, 8 p.m. Eastern time. And we talk about just all types of stuff happening in crypto. Not that much with charting, although we look at the charts because most of us know how to read the basics. But we don't really make too much predictions or anything like that, man. We actually don't shill stuff. We'll talk about any project. That's why we call it the Shill stream. As you can see, I added Vegeta up here, over 9,000. So we got the homie Vegeta in the building. But anyway, yeah, man, I do all types of videos, mostly been streaming lately, but I also do standalone videos talking about decentralized finance. One of my favorite things happening in crypto right now. If you don't know how to trade crypto, and if you're not trying to be super speculative on projects that you think are going to change the world, DeFi might just be the space for you, man. It might just be the space for you. And I'm going to show you guys that in a little while. We've been looking at some of the DeFi stuff I've been doing. H Boogie is a big DeFi proponent as well. So big supporter. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And follow me on Twitter as well, man. Follow me on Twitter. I'm definitely, putting some stuff out there, man. I feel like I should be a little bit more active. So I'm going to try to tweet once or twice a day. And I've been doing little polls. I asked one guy to go. People said Bitcoin SV out of Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and Litecoin. It was only 7 votes though. Today I asked, will Bitcoin ever be flipped? And 52% of the people said yes. I was surprised. I thought people would just randomly see this and click no. 19 votes, just a couple of hours. I kept it up, I think 6 hours or something like that. And 19 votes, man. People straight up said yes. A couple people said no. One or two people said, only if altcoins will deliver. That was one of the options that I picked. So follow me on Twitter, man. We'll get some engagement going. We get active out here. Definitely appreciate it. So it was just on my mind because I've seen a lot of people talking about certain coins out there. And I'm big on the smart contract platforms. I don't hold a lot of them. Actually, I only hold Ethereum pretty much when it comes to that. But I just felt the need to just express and throw the question out there, So coins equal access to amazing technology, right? Because, all of these projects have amazing technology. EOS, Cardano, Ethereum, whatever, Icon, Tezos. So the coin equals access to the amazing technology. Hodl them to create scarcity and hope the price skyrockets, and then expect developers to come flocking to that expensive new token. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this speculation thing, thinking that, here's my thing. My whole approach to crypto is if I can't use it, I won't hold it anymore. So, if you think that there's some world-changing technology and you just want to hold the coins hostage until they become more valuable, thinking that developers are just going to come flocking out of nowhere and buying the coin that is now expensive because they have some revolutionary dApp that they need to power, it's not the right way to go, man. I'll show you the right way to go. It's not financial advice, but Decentralized finance, man. That's what we doing on this channel. We look at everything though, like I said, because it is the Shill stream. So we're just talking crypto, enjoying ourselves like anybody else would. Most of us in crypto don't have like our own buddies and friends that we could just hang out with and talk crypto, because it's such a niche thing. So the vibe I'm trying to bring here is just a place where you could talk about whatever you want. However, your homie, low key, he likes to talk about DeFi. So when you guys jump in the chat, you could talk about your project. We'll look at it. Me, your homie, low key, I like to talk about DeFi. I like to talk about Ethereum. I like to talk about EOS.io. And then everything else, you know, we kind of just go from there. So I've been just funding this account. But before we even do that, oh man, Bitcoin, yes. Finally, on a daily, we have closed above the 200-day moving average. This is exciting to see. See volume it's kind of similar to where it's been a couple days ago, but it picked up today, man. And we finally well above the 200-day moving average. We closed above 9,000. It's just looking healthy, man. Like, it's been hard trying to, you know, close above 9,000. We haven't done it yet. And finally, we closed above 9,000 and above the 200-day moving average. We've been talking about this for a little while. This is not a charting channel, but there's just certain things you could see is like the standard. This is Bitstamp. I'm sorry. Let's go to Coinbase. I like to look at Coinbase. You know, that's just what I prefer. Pardon me. Okay. Here's what happens when we're over the 200-day moving average. I don't know why this thing acting slow all of a sudden. Okay. 200-day moving average. When we're over it, wow, it plays as support for us. We go parabolic. We're on an incline. When we're under it, oh boy, it's savage life. You know, bear market territory. When we're over it, ooh, it's nice. Glitz and glamour. We're under it. Here we go. And yes, a couple times we did pop over it, but I explained this quite a few times. We were in a falling wedge pattern right over here that you can see. So we just kind of just bounced off of that and then came under it again. However, this time around, there ain't really no overhead resist. There's no falling wedge pattern like before to bounce off of. The next level of resistance that I'm looking at is we're kind of close to it right now, actually, which is this 9,500 range. You can see all of this crowded area that's playing as like support and resistance at the same time. Let's see if we could like draw a little rectangle here, like this area right here. Come on, that's kind of what I'm looking at. So, and remember, these are just basics. Like, this is not me getting all fancy or anything like that. We could move that up a little bit, maybe to like those candle closes right there. Move it up to this candle close. And that's pretty much what I'm looking at. So 9,500 is the area. Matter of fact, we'll bring it just right here. All right, right above this candle close. Yeah, so the 9,500 range. Hey, start small, think big. What's up? Thanks for joining the chat as usual. Flashless Smoke, what's goody? Peace, family. Anybody that hasn't hit the like button already, make sure y'all do whenever y'all get a chance, please. So for those that just jumped in, Bitcoin had a very, very good day today. Up around, let's see. Let's go on CoinMarketCap. Up 3%. We were up like 5% really, if you really look at this big candle that we had. So the candle starts over at 7 p.m. Eastern time, and you can see right here we had almost a 6% gain in a day for Bitcoin. Looking healthy. Almost 6% in a day, man. On Bitcoin, that's really good. And we finally closed above this indicator, this 200-day moving average. Typically, when we close above the 200-day moving average, we are in like very bullish, like crazy runs. You know, look what happened last time when we closed above it. Boom, we started going crazy. Then we came under it, and it just started getting bearish again. Swoops. But now here we are. It looks like we're bouncing back over it, and we're just gonna have to see what happens. So we started a new daily candle, and it looks like there's not that much sell pressure either. Like, we're just kind of like floating around this area. Not that much sell pressure going on. It's not like people are just getting bearish. So it's a good look, man. It's definitely a good look in the crypto world right now, man. I'm excited to see what happens. Ethereum looks like it was like right there, but I don't think it really caught the I'm not sure. It doesn't really look like it. Like, it's like right there with the 200-day moving average. As long as this next candle closes above it, like, I think Ethereum might see some good gains soon. Obviously, I've been trying to stack my 32 Ethereum, so I got my DeFi saver that I've been adding collateral to, and I want to add some more collateral today. Just not sure if I should add some smart savings. Let's see what I just put in here. Sold a little bit of Bitcoin, took some gains, and trying to figure out. I wanted to put $50 in this smart savings, and then maybe, what's that? 50 plus 70 would bring me to 120 and leave me $10 for transaction fees. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I know how I'm gonna do it. You gotta be smart with this stuff. I know how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna deposit more collateral, and I'm not gonna boost as much as I want to. I'm just gonna borrow some and boost a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna deposit more collateral. I'm gonna deposit 0.65 ETH. Boom. We're gonna just go ahead and let that rock. 5 cents, that's nothing. Man, days like this, I'm surprised. Normally, you know, you gotta have a little drink, celebrate, man. Wow, that transaction already cleared. We're almost at 17 Ethereum here. So I'm gonna borrow 50 DAI. Like H Boogie said, choices, choices, choices in DeFi. That's for real, man. So I'm gonna borrow 50 DAI tokens, which is what I'm gonna deposit in my smart savings, which right now is earning above 8%. It's earning 8.26%, so that's good. This will help me for when I have to pay back my my debt here. Boom, that transaction is already confirmed. Ethereum been moving so much quicker, man. I'm loving it. It's been moving so much quicker. So Fulcrum is the place that I want to put it in. It has the longest. It has a super pause. The place I want to put it in, it got the longest. I'm sounding crazy. Fulcrum has the highest APY, annual percentage yield. So we're gonna add that, supply that. 13 cents, that's okay. And then we're gonna boost the CDP maybe by like $50 to $100. Hey, Crypto, what up? Yo, good day in crypto. I hope that you seen some gains today. Anybody holding Bitcoin should have seen some gains. Although I've been really thinking about not being in Bitcoin at all anymore and just being in only DeFi style projects, stable coins that earn me interest kind of regardless of what's happening in the market, and a couple other projects, you know, like few though. Like if I'm gonna sell Bitcoin, I gotta be in few amount of projects. You can't be diversifying into altcoins and not have you Bitcoin, you know? So that's what I've been thinking. Yo, Kryptov, you have spoken. You have spoken multiple times, and you know what? People better take you seriously because you said the bulls are out. You have said this multiple times, my friend. Oh boy. Alright, so we waiting for this dye to get supplied. What's this? Oh man, that's my history. Okay. Where was I want to see where I deposited. Where does it say supply? Oh, it doesn't really show how much I supplied. So I want to know exactly how much I'm making. I usually like to put even numbers in this because then it makes it easier for me to like see how much I'm making, but I didn't get to do it. That's the only thing I like about the interface for like something like compound.finance is that on the compound.finance app, like you could see how much you're making. Like I think I haven't done it since the new die came out, and now they took away side, single collateral die. Wow. The borrow and the supply is pretty close, very close. It's kind of surprisingly close. All right, this transaction taking a little longer than normal. Okay, Ethereum, keep going. 177. This is what I like to see. H Boogie did say yesterday before minting, he was like, wait, price might go up. So earn me a little bit more SUSD. I know it looked funny because it's like, oh, just $1, but it takes a lot of SNX tokens to even create one SUSD. So this is pretty dope. So I'm gonna swap that out in a moment, get me like maybe 2 to 3 more SNX tokens and just let it stack on its own pretty much. It's crazy. And then you know, I barely got any in escrow, but that's the rewards just cuz. Just cuz. I want to check out Aave real quick. I wonder if the APR is still high. Oh my god, bro. 65%? Bro. What the hell? 65%? Like, yo, in a night you could just earn some. I'm about to see what happens just depositing that, man. Yeah, I'm gonna just do it. Yo, H Boogie, why? Like, I know you said there's no like liquidation. Like, what happens to this if I deposit that? Nah, I seen that from earlier, bro. And honestly, it seems like, okay, finally my my deposit went through. It seems like this is something that's gonna happen every week. It seems like something that's happening every week, and I'm wondering, like, bro, like, it's looking crazy. Now this third digit is moving I think like 2 times in a row, and then on the third one, well, it's moving almost every time. So the numbers are going up a lot faster. I could have just added like that whole bread into this, but what I'm gonna do, I really want to just keep stacking my ETH. So let's go ahead and boost. We could boost this with, I'm at 205%, 100 die. I like to stay around 200%, man. And that'll take me, you know, past 16. Technically, I could throw a whole ETH in there. It really wouldn't be that bad. All right, let's just stop. Scared money don't make money. We're gonna boost this with 100 DAI tokens. Hey, Matt Sandstrom, what up? Glad to see you back here in the live. 35 cents, yeah, that's good. Last time when I tried to change that, it wasn't hitting for me. Yo, Matt, I hope you seen some gains today, man. Bitcoin looking goody. ETH looking pretty healthy. Bitcoin, man, this was a very good day. Finally closed above the 200 MA. Yo, last year this is when it happened. Well, was it? Yeah, it was like January, right? What's that date? April. Oh no. When did we start going up? Okay, we hit the low in December. February is pretty much once we started started climbing. Whoop. And then this move in April really took us above the 200-day moving average. Then we just started going crazy after that. And basically this was, I seen this too. I drew this resistance a minute ago, and now the next area that we're looking at for resistance is gonna be pretty much right around here, where we could see these corners. These were playing as, it was playing as support over here, you know, with bouncing off of these lines. Support, 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 came crashing down, and then it played as resistance afterwards. Once we broke through it and closed, it became resistance for us. And then we went into this next channel, and then now we're gonna test it out now. So let's see what happens. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, if we can break out of this, then we would actually become bullish again, because we would have passed previous overhead resistance, and that would be it. We're already kind of bullish, but like that would really be a significant indicator for us. We could easily see Bitcoin shoot up another $1,000 after that. So, well, maybe not 1,000 after that. Yeah, almost. Yeah, like about $1,000 after that we might see. So let's just take it easy. H Boogie, you have said that a few times, and I keep on kind of like forgetting to do that. But only reason I'm not even like super based on it is because I've been throwing some DAI into this. That's something that I want to kind of do while the APR is up right now. So in a week I'll get 22 cents, in a month $1, in a year $12. But obviously the more I add to this, it's only 150 bucks, you know, the more I get, and it compounds. You know, like all of this that I'm getting is also what I'm earning off of. So it's pretty dope stuff. I'm about to deposit my synthetics into this though. First let me where's my minter? Okay, first let's mint max amount of SNX. Nah, this is, so when I mint, aren't I like so you can pay as little as 50 worth of DAI. It will really change how much you can boost. So if I were to mint SNX, mint SUSD, I'm sorry, by staking your SNX. Okay, we're gonna mint this first. Might as well mint it. Almost feel like that was a waste, because it's like 30 cents just to like get $1 and change, but it is what it is. It's the second brew, so don't make fun of me, man. For everybody that's in here on a regular basis, like I'm kind of learning some of this as I go, And the more you see it, the more like easy it might become like to understand. You know, I'm gonna always like repeat myself on basically what it is. You know, these are dollars, and you can deposit it into these contracts, and those dollars will gain interest. It's pretty much that simple. These are different platforms. They have their own websites and everything, but this website, DeFi Saver, it puts it all into one place for you to make it easy, so that you don't have to like bounce around everywhere, withdraw, send it, you know, to the next platform. Like, you could do everything in one shot. So I would be able to go from the one that I have, this Fulcrum, straight into Compound if I wanted to, and I can enter, you know, the amount right there. Not gonna do it though. Not gonna do it. Matt said, where you learn all your crypto knowledge? You pretty good. Thanks, bro. Honestly, just I really be on this every day. Like, I just research it every single day, bro. Every day. Because I actually really enjoy it. I enjoy the idea of it, everything. And you know, sometimes from y'all, like H Boogie learned a little from me. Now I'm learning from him. You know what I mean? So honestly, since 2017, I came in during the bull run. I came in during the bull run in 2017. Right around here, like late October, I think it was. Right around here, Bitcoin was a little higher than that. Bitcoin was definitely higher than that. I came in around November. Yeah, that sounds about right. I think Bitcoin was around 8,000. And I watched this all happen. Bro, I don't know if y'all was around in 2017. I remember, I know Start Small Think Big was around. And I know he seen some of this stuff. I literally like could throw a dart at any coin, man. Like, I used to go, I would go on CoinMarketCap. I went and got this coin called Panda Coin, and I put like 20 something dollars in it. And it did, man. It was one or the other. It was either a 17 or a 21x. I can't remember. In like 1 or 2 weeks. Like 17 or 21x. I can't even remember. It was such a small amount of money, insignificant. I had no money to really be putting in crypto. I was just playing with tens of dollars, and I really wanted to like have some Bitcoin really. So I didn't like want to spend all of it. 17 or 21x. I can't even remember which one it was, but it turned into a few $100s. I'm like, what? I got like $300-400 off of that little 30. It was like 20 something dollars, and I got like 400 now. I was like, yo, this is crazy. Then I started just researching. I sold I was into XRP a little bit at first. I sold XRP when it was almost at its highest, like at $3, bro. It was crazy. And then I started making videos right away because I knew that nobody understood this stuff very well, so I could learn while I'm in it. And then market started going down, and I was one of those idiots that was like, oh, you could get your cryptos on sale. And I ended up deleting a bunch of my videos because I was like, yo, I want to switch it up, man. But I still have some old videos that's like price prediction and like, is Dent the future? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Low, aka Low Key Money, aka Low. That's your boy right there, man. Today we're gonna talk about Dent Coin. Dent Coin is pretty much. Let's talk about Dent Coin. Currency that you can use. Look, people just telling me do the Naga coin. It looks interesting. By selling mobile data. Let's see. Why is this necessary? Also do the Neo coin. The Neo coin. Let's see. I'm optimistic but also skeptical. This person just trying to get a referral over here. Let's see. Yeah, man, I was talking about all these projects, man. I was bullish on Nebulous Nas, man. But actually, the funny thing is, I said I didn't think Dentcoin was a good investment here. That's what this video ended up becoming. Same thing with this BAB token. I'm like, I actually don't think this is a good investment. And every once in a while, that's just how it goes too, man. You gotta just tell people the truth. But I deleted a lot of price prediction stuff. 50 to 100x gains.
Good, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Low, aka Low Key. Calculator. If you do the math on that if you $1,000, let's look right here.
Man, I'm looking for the is this the historical snapshot? I don't know if the market was already down yet, but boy oh boy, if you knew the prices, man, the prices was just amazing. That's the historical snapshot. I want to see if I could see the total market cap.
Those 50 million coins. So 50 million coins. So let's look at some of these projects. Earn Q-Link coins. What is taking so long for this? 100 million.
Well, okay, so the bear market already started kicking in. $385 billion crypto market right now. We're only at 256. Like even then it was better. Like it was already bearish. Like we get back up there, bro, the market's gonna be a lot more concentrated. It's gonna be nice, man. H Boogie said he started last June in DeFi. He said he watched some of my videos, then Chris Black, and took off, especially Low Key's How to Multiply Your ETH. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the shout out, man. That makes me feel good, man. Thank you. Let's go to Kyber Swap because 1-inch exchange wasn't working for me. Did anybody see some gains today? Like, let me know, man. Did y'all get some gains? That's what I really want to know, man. Like, I want to know if people got gains today, bro. It was a good day today. Like, look at how the market was looking. Okay, 101%. This has no volume, so this is like maybe 1 or 2 trades that happened. So don't believe that. Kick token, same thing. It's just a handful of trades. But IOTA had some really blast off. Another good day for Ethereum Classic. Look at Ethereum Classic, people. Like, there's crazy gains in crypto right now, yo. Crazy gains. Nice. Start small, think big said, yup. That's what I want to see. Oh, Coinbase right here. Look. Hold on. Look at it. Oh my God. Look at Ethereum Classic, people. It's just been going crazy. Like, how long ago was this? This was 2 weeks ago. Today's the 28th. Exactly 2 weeks ago. You would have made 100% gains. You would have made 117% gains if you would have gotten into Ethereum Classic 2 weeks ago. Is it that easy to just get in right here 2 weeks ago? However, I mean, it's been going since like this area over here, ever since the sideways movement. If you really want to keep it real, if you would have got in during the sideways movement, you would be up 221%. Ethereum Classic went crazy. Crazy. Even after it already pumped and did all of this, if you would have just got in a couple days ago, you'd be up 40%. Yeah, Ethereum Classic is going crazy, man. This is bananas. So I hope everybody had some solid days in crypto, man. Let's get SUSD. I don't even think I can get 1 cent with this. It is what it is. We'll take it. I be feeling like the fees don't be worth it sometimes, man. Definitely not paying those fees. 18 seconds. I mean, 18 cents. So on Kyber Swap, always check. I don't check on everything, but on Kyber Swap, I don't know why it defaults to the fast version, and that's the highest transaction fee, which is $1.28. I'm not paying $1.28 for something that is not even costing me. It's costing me more than it is that I'm trading. So 18 cents, I could live with that. Confirm that transaction. Crypto have asked if I think that 2020 will be like the 2017 bull run. No, definitely don't. What? Don't tell me that confirmed already. Transaction done. Look, they try to get me to pay $1 something, and I just paid 18 cents, and look how fast that transaction just finished, people's. Like, that was super quick. So now I'm gonna go on Aave. Nah, I don't think that the bull run's gonna be like 2017. I think it's probably gonna be like last year. A little hard to tell on this chart, man. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Yeah, I think it's gonna be more like last year, which is fine with me. Last year, you know what I'm saying, Bitcoin alone over 200%. Yeah, I'm good with that. You know, 230%. Even if you you know, even if you come in from like the middle of it happening to like, you know, you can still double your money, you know what I'm saying? Like, but you're gonna see certain coins are still gonna do 3-4x. I do think so. Certain coins will do 3 to 4x. You just gotta find them, man. Honestly, like the hidden gems that I'm looking at right now, the only reason that I'm not buying it is because it's on EOS. But some of the hidden gems I'm looking at are second layer solutions, DApp token, Liquid Apps DApp. This is something that I feel like is a hidden gem. It's gonna be big in the EOS community. But really, I'm really about this DeFi, man. Like, let's go ahead and stake this and lend this out. What happened? Why not? Why not? Why we can't do that for? You can deposit a maximum of 161. Why is there an error, man? This thing not working. This Aave joint, man. What's going on with Aave, people? I don't know what's going on with Aave. Anybody run into this issue with Aave? Anybody run into this issue with Aave? Let's go to deposit. Let's go to deposit SNX. Let's go to 100%. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, peoples. They don't want me to win, man. They don't want me to be great. Why they don't want me to be great? That's all good. Dang, that would have been nice though. TUSD is getting some good returns on Aave. There was another platform though that I just saw that had Matt said to pull up Oasis. Oasis on Maker. What did you want to look at on Oasis? What exactly did you want me to look at? I'm gonna let that sit for a little while. Hey, Cryptop, I like EOS, bro. It's not usable right now. Like, literally. Oh, pull up my account? Nah, I don't like it better than DeFi Saver because on DeFi Saver, like, you could, first and foremost, like, for savings, just being able to move it across different platforms, it's all in one. The second thing is that I have this, literally this saver thing. This protects me in case I'm about to get liquidated. What it does is it looks at my ratio. My ratio is 198 right now. If it goes below 175, it's automatically gonna sell some ETH, pay it back, sell some ETH, pay it back, and balance this back to 200%. On Maker, Oasis, it doesn't do all of that. So you have a couple of options over here, and shout out to H Boogie for really getting on my back about not starting this, and I finally did. The other thing about this platform that I like more is that in one transaction with Boost, I'm able to just loop my Ethereum, you know, because me, I'm trying to stack Ethereum. You could use this to borrow DAI and do whatever you want with it. You can buy EOS. But me, I'm just trying to get more Ethereum. So in one transaction, I can hit boost and it'll buy some Ethereum, deposit it, borrow. No, it will borrow some DAI, swap it for Ethereum, and deposit it for me, all in like one transaction. So for me, I like this one hands down better. But I started off using Maker before it was even called Oasis. Silver Crypto, what up? Glad to see you here. Said ADA is up big today. I seen that too, man. I seen that. Let's see. Oh, I be forgetting. It's not on Coinbase. Yeah, look at that. Cardano. Man, there's a couple Cardano fans in here. Somebody was staking Cardano. Was it you, Matt? Said you getting like 16% or something like that? Wow. In one day, how much Cardano went up? Over 11%, man. That's nice. Wonderful. Congratulations, anybody that was holding ADA Cardano. Even though, you know, I give it tough love, harsh criticism because they're not live yet. You know, if you caught some gains, you know, shouts to you. Hey Matt, where you getting the 16% from? You gotta put us on, my friend. H Boogie here's 16% APR with a daily send out. He ain't gonna let you get out of here. There you go. I knew H Boogie was gonna jump in. I didn't even see the message come up. I already knew that. Come on, man. You gotta let us know. 16% with a daily send out. That's nice. On top of that, I mean, it went even higher too. It pulled back a little bit. Let's see. It went all the way up to around 18% today and then pulled back a little bit and came down to close around 11% gains. So Cardano looking good, and it's been pretty good as well, man. Like if you caught it when it was moving sideways over here, be up 61%. Be up 61%, man. Crypto is looking healthy right now, and wow, Cardano actually right there. It's right there at the previous overhead resistance. So you see this? Boom, it just blocked itself right here. Like this same thing, it's like in the same area now. Look, it's right there right now. So it's fighting some resistance. As long as Cardano can close above this line right here, it's looking bullish for Cardano, man, for ADA. Yo Roy Wallet. Wow, what is... I like the ROI in that. Oh, it's a wallet for Cardano. Is that staking? Is that like Shelly? I be hearing about staking. Is that what Shelly is? I don't really know much about Cardano. Cryptov, to an extent I do. And you know what? My guy, Chris Black. So Chris Black is somebody that I really respect in this DeFi space. I really suggest that people watch his videos. Just recently, actually commented on this. So here's something he's been talking about that I think you guys should pay attention to. He said nearly every DeFi smart contract that's capable of holding your funds has an admin key. I would think that most of these are multi-signature keys, but look, some of those admin keys can be used maliciously if they fall into the wrong hands. It's very hard to find out how these keys are protected. You deserve to know. I'm compiling this info. So guys, when I tell you this guy, Chris Black, is really that DeFi guy, like he breaks it down very well. I suggest that you go ahead and follow him at Chris Black, BLEC. and he does videos on YouTube as well. He's one of the go-to guys for me on YouTube. Where's he at over here? Chris Black on DeFi. So check him out. Subscribe to his channel. Wow, he just hit 2K subscribers. Congrats to him. That's what's up. Because you'll definitely learn some stuff, and I want to know about that as well. So that's something we should definitely stay updated on. As I learn that, I'll let you know. But I do a certain amount of research on these platforms. I don't jump into all of them. Like, I don't jump into all of them. But boy, oh boy, I don't know why they not letting me deposit on Aave right now, man. They killing me. They killing me softly. Something went wrong. What's going on? 50%? No? 10? Can I do a 10? They not trying to let me live. They don't want me to win, man. What other platforms? Where I look at a lot of my DeFi stuff is DeFiPrime.com. Hey, H Boogie, you saw me just try multiple amounts, bro. So DeFiPrime.com shows you the different platforms that you could use. Oh yeah, EOS Rex. So about EOS, man, I like EOS. I was a big fan of EOS. It's just not usable right now, and it's been that way for months, literally months, and it's really frustrating. Then when I take a step back, I'm like, even when I was using it, like, for what? They got gambling dApps, that's fun, but like, it don't really got nothing to help me get some serious gains. Like, it's a bunch of coins that you could stake and get more coins that are all not doing well. None of those coins are doing well because they don't have much of a use case. Like, people are starting DACs, which are decentralized autonomous communities, which is basically like, you know, anybody could be part of a community or a business, and it works by using a voting system for holding a certain amount of coins, earns you a certain amount of votes. And it's just like very experimental stuff that people are not really like doing right now, you know? So when I take a step back after all these years, man, it's been a couple years that I've been in crypto now. So I'm tired of the speculation. You know, this is why I like DeFi. I've been slowed up because the rates were going down for a little while, but even on my channel, aside from the multiply your Ethereum, right here, you know, a couple of months ago, I did this video, how to make money with cryptocurrency, no experience, using compound.finance. And that's where it's at. No experience, you're able to earn money. To me, that's a no-brainer. Like, you can't really do that with that many other platforms. Tron, EOS, like, this is the only one where you can actually do that, man. Like, there's probably some here and there projects you could do that with on those other ones, but Ethereum has it hands down. And some other stuff, you know, other ways to earn crypto and stuff like that. I just come across, man. I do study a lot of this stuff. Matt Sandstrom said, yes, you had to have your ADA on the mainnet snapshot last November to be in on it. Oh, so it's over for us. Pardon me. Oh, it's quiet for us. We can't do nothing with ADA. I'm glad you told me, because 16%, I was thinking about looking into it, but I'm good. If I missed it, I missed it. So Fulcrum was lending out, oh, that's SUSD. That's not the actual SNX token. Dang, man. I'm trying to find something that... Hey, Crypto Quarter Crawler said, what up, unit? Still at work? Hey, you gotta get that bread, man. Go ahead and get them fiat gains, bro. Massive fiat gains. You gotta do it. But whenever you get the time, sneak on your phone like you are right now. Hit that like button. and just hit that like button. Yeah, so I mean, there's a couple hidden gems out there. Go back to Ave and let's try again. All right. Let's X out some of these joints. H Boogie, your young grasshopper is following. So show me the way, my friend. I am on Ave. I'm going to go to Synthetics SNX and click deposit. I'm going to go to browser wallet. ADA is on fire. That PWC noise said hit access. Let me go back real quick. Access, which is the same thing. All right. We're gonna go with the one you said. Browser wallet. Tell me where to go from here. Let's look up this ADA news while I wait for your message. Cardano PWC. Rubenzo say, yo, mad late. You must arrive on time. Nah, I'm just joking, man. Cardano prices rise 15% on big partnership. PWC. Recent announcement with multinational accounting and consultancy firm PricewaterhouseCoopers. Main details on a partnership on the live stream yesterday. Said that PwC will consolidate information from IOHK, the Cardano Foundation, and Cardano Businesses Arm, Emergo, strategy for blockchain project as it stands. Okay. Well, that's cool, I guess. I'm trying to deposit, so I'm waiting for H Boogie to tell me what I'm doing wrong, because every time I go to this, it's not hitting. I need these 50% gains for the night. That might get me like 1 coin, 2 coins just for letting it sit tonight. And I'm down for that. I might just leave it in there in general. Go to deposit. Okay. I hit deposit. Click. Alright. We standing right here now. This was the part where it wasn't working for me. And we need to make it work. Yo, oh, by the way, peoples. So I think I'm gonna miss my very first episode of Shill Stream this weekend, Sunday, for the Super Bowl. I very much feel like nobody's gonna show up like that anyway. So instead of me even wasting my time, I'd rather just go enjoy myself. I kind of feel weird saying that, and I almost want to do the Shill stream anyway. So I'm gonna feel it out through the week, man. Said he had the same issue. Put in 80%. What's 80% of 160? Hit continue now. There you go. Something went wrong. Matt said that's cool. Rubenzo said, F the Shill stream. Enjoy yourself. Hey, thanks, man. D-Wave said do a 5 to 10 minute one just to say happy Sunday. What I could do, matter of fact, that actually gives me a good idea. Tim Epps, thank you very much too. Thank you everybody for just being nice, like, yo, take a break. But you gotta understand, like, I like doing this, man, and y'all being here, I be feeling like I'm putting pressure on y'all to be here. I enjoy doing this, and it's like I don't want to lose that that, you know what I mean, when you just catch that vibe or whatever it is, man, that stride, and you just keep going. So I'm kind of getting the idea of just doing it way earlier, not doing it at 8 p.m. like doing it like 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. or something like that. Do a 30-minute stream and late in the morning or early in the afternoon. Yeah, H Boogie, I tried to do even lower, like do 50. I don't know why it's acting up. Something went wrong. So it is what it is. Hey, like my man Flash the Smoke said, we've been saying that lately. Mamba mentality, man. Mamba mentality. What would Kobe do? You know what I'm saying? Kobe became the greatest at what he did. You know, one of the best to ever do it. If I want to get up there, I need to just stay on it, man. He said you was putting in 500 SNX and could only do 363. I'm about to just see if like 5 works. Nah, yeah, it's just not working right now. I don't know why. So there goes Ave for me, my first experience with Ave. I'm just capping. That's all good. But yeah, man, like I like doing the Shill stream every day, and it just feels good to be consistent with something. Like I be just kind of going back and looking. I'm like, man, row after row, like I'm doing good. And the subs are going up a little bit, man. It's, you know, like a sub a day, 2 subs a day sometimes. It's really not that much, but we getting there. And the watch time is something that I'm definitely seeing a result on. I just seen today Chico Crypto. I started watching this video because, dang, you know when you usually like when you hover over it, it shows you stuff. Let's see if it does it here. Dang. Well, either way, I'm not really interested in like coronavirus and crypto. But I did see that Skillshare looked like they sponsored his channel. I didn't even get up to that part, but when I hovered over it, I seen something about Skillshare. I'm like, dang, yo, he's doing it up, man. And I'm like, oh, by the way, I was gonna make a little ill thing. That's, oh, you can't even see it. All right, good. I didn't want to ruin it, and you can't see it, so good. So anyway, I seen that and I was like, man, I just gotta get in my bag, yo. There's some big sponsors out here. That's not even a crypto sponsor, Skillshare. You know, so it's early. It's only January. By the time the summer comes around, if the market is still bullish, I done caught my stride. I should be I'm hoping to be monetized by then. I'm gonna definitely have my 32 ETH by then. You know, I'm past the halfway mark, people. By then I should have either more than like well over 32, or I should be like paying this off, like easily paying this off. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, man, I hope everybody had some good gains today. I feel like today was a fairly slow stream, but like still pretty good though. Still pretty chill as usual. Thank you everybody for popping in like I usually do. Bitcoin is really looking good though right now. So let's just hope that we could, you know, keep it up, man. We might have a red day, you know, a little something. Just take it easy. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool with just taking it easy real quick and then getting the next candle. And I do think that we'll probably end up in this range over here somewhere, 10,500 within a week. So let's just see. D-Wave said you should do a crypto course on Udemy. I haven't seen Udemy in a while. I don't think people like, what would I even do? You know, like the basics of getting into crypto. I could do a course and show people how to properly set up their crypto wallets, show people how to set up their look at me, I'm talking about, you know, protecting crypto. I don't even know where my wallet at. Showing people how to set up their ledger, you know, nice and easy. This is like, if you want to store crypto properly, like you should have a ledger eventually. Like a ledger is basically what a ledger does is you never ever even see your private key. It keeps your private key inside of this device right here, and all you do is interact with this device instead, and it makes it super secure. But like I don't even know what I would do on a course. Just setting up EOS wallets, Ethereum wallets, DeFi platforms, ledger for your Bitcoin and everything like that. I'm sure I could make it look nice, but I don't think I have enough to offer. Like, as long as the YouTube could wave up, I'm kind of good for now, you know. And then when I start monetizing, like, you know, maybe people might throw tips a little easier, because then you could do it straight from YouTube. And I'm not talking about but how to stake and earn passive income. That's true. And that's the thing that I'm trying to like do live too, man. Like, earn crypto interest, man. And a lot of people did like when I was doing the updates too, man. Like when I was doing the DeFi updates, week 3, week 4, and all of that stuff. Like, people like seeing that. Week 1 almost got 1,000 views. Wow. Guys, it's your boy Low Key 276, but I'm actually at 153.05 now. Over so here, like just about 30. This why I like Compound Finance, because it shows you your interest earned right there. On the DeFi smart savings, like I don't know where to see like what I earned, and that's kind of frustrating to me. But it is what it is, man. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks Crypto Quarter Crawler for also like supporting that. I don't know, we'll see, man. Maybe one day we'll do something like that. I'd probably rather just do like a Patreon where people like throw like $5 a month or something small, $2 a month, and have like exclusive videos that I put on Patreon. It would be like a support just to have better exclusive content or something kind of situation. But a Udemy, I'll just put it right there on the YouTube. But it's something to think about. It's something to think about. Anyway, thank you guys for always coming through as usual. I'm gonna enjoy like 1 or 2 more beers. The man cave in the garage is cleared out. Oh man, wifey cleared it out, and I'm about to go chill. Throw on the, man, I gotta show y'all one day. I got the projector. I'm about to watch some crypto videos. Chill. About to go chill. So shout out to Crypto Quarter Crawler, D-Wave, H Boogie, Flash the Smoke, Tim Epps, Rebenzo, Matthew Sandstrom. I think I did say D-Wave just in case. Cryptov, Silver Crypto, Start Small, Think Big, and anybody else that I might have missed, man. On your way out, make sure y'all hit that like button. I will catch you on the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.